So I got another Amazon find. This time it's some new lighting. Currently I have this dome light in this part of my kitchen area, and I want to create more of a rustic look, maybe with something that has Edison bulbs and that's more unique. Here's everything that came within the box. We have our lighting with the attachment, and then you get the mounts. Here are what the instructions look like. I even sent these one size fits most cotton gloves. The first thing you want to do is take these screws off the side and remove the ceiling mount. Next, you're going to want to remove this nut and lock washer. Something to note with this lighting fixture is you'll have this part which is longer and this one which is shorter. There's two of each. So we're gonna start with the shorter ones first. You're gonna wanna take the wires and feed them through your mount and make sure that you put the nut on there, and we're gonna screw it down tightly. You're gonna wanna take the little wrench that comes in your packet, and you're gonna wanna make sure that you secure these really well once you have your two bottom ones in place. Now we're ready to install the light part that has the longer post on it. We're basically going to repeat the same process. So remove the washer and the nut, string these wires through, and one thing to remember before you secure these is that you're going to want to make sure the light bulb part faces opposite directions. So once you get all of your nuts tightened up, this is what it's going to look like. So next we're going to install it. Before you get started, you want to make sure the power is off because these exposed wires can be very dangerous. Make sure your ceiling mount is flush to the ceiling and that it is straight. So when it comes to the wiring, you're going to want to make sure that the ground wire that is attached to the fixture attaches to the ground wire coming out of your ceiling. And then all of the black wires are going to attach to the black cord that's coming out of the ceiling, and all of the white wires are going to go to the white wire that's coming from the ceiling. These caps also did come with the set, so you don't have to purchase. The only thing to keep in mind with this Amazon light fixture is that it does not come with light bulbs, but that is a perk because you're able to pick the light bulbs that you would like to put into the fixture. We're going to be using Edison style bulb. And here is what the completed look looks like. This is a 60-watt volt bulb in here. You could use less brightness if you'd like. So in conclusion, I would highly recommend this Amazon light fixture. Not only is it affordable, but it was super easy to install. All you needed was a screwdriver and of course some light bulbs. But it looks great, it gives a nice modern feel, and I love it. Enjoy.